This review is of the original Marshmallow vanilla single decker sandwich moon pie. I guess I should have put moon pie first. Whatever. Uh, Natural vanilla with other natural flavors. It is not vegetarian because it's got gelatin in it, which is always from animals. If you want something that doesn't have animal products in it, you need to look for agar or possibly pectin, although I'm not sure that pectin can actually be solid enough. Bioengineered food ingredients. Hooray, thank you so much, Moon Pie, for cheaping out and also using super large amounts of sugar. We have got, aside from the starch in the flour, we've got invert sugar, corn syrup, sugar, cornstarch, sugar. So yeah, lots of sources, and most of those are high in fructose. Not as high as high fructose corn syrup, for example, but they're high. They're at 40, 50%. So yeah, definitely the invert sugar, the corn syrup, the sugar, which is probably cane sugar, the cornstarch, corn sugar, yeah, all that's like 40 to 50% fructose. So that can lead to non-alcoholic metabolic syndrome, which is basically the same thing as what happens when you drink a lot of alcohol. It screws up your liver. Nutrition facts. One pie's got 6 grams of fat, of which 4 are saturated, no trans fats or cholesterol, 75 milligrams of sodium, 40 grams of carbs, of which less than 1 is dietary fiber, 20 grams, of which 19 are added sugars, 3 grams of protein. So yeah, and that's it. Let's sample it. I was talking to a buddy of mine at work, and a lot of people are trying to figure out how to eat better, and so my reviews, if you pay attention to what I complain about with the food, you'll learn about some of the things that are wrong with the food. But I don't score based on how healthful food is. I just look at texture and flavor and smell. And so he and I were talking about soda, and he had said that he'd just gotten a bottle of Pepsi, and I was like, well, what kind of sugar is in Pepsi? And he asked why, and I said, well, because Coca-Cola, almost everything that's not sugar-free has high fructose corn syrup. And I was curious if Pepsi was nicer to us and actually gave a crap about us. So I looked at the bottle. Sure enough, no. Pepsi and Coke don't care. They sell products that will only make you sick. Very dry. The coating is extremely thin. I'm pretty sure, yeah, that the coating used to be thicker. The only thing that is not much thinner than before would be the gelatin. Since we murder billions of animals a year for eating, that makes perfect sense. Animals are cheap. I don't know. Honestly, I don't really get why they say this is vanilla flavored. Doesn't really taste particularly like vanilla. So, it's like, far as I'm concerned, the flavor is. I'll give it a 4 for vanilla, and I will give it a 6.5. Just the flavor without regarding what it's supposed to be. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.